Hey guys, it is me, this is actually my second kind of boating lessons. So yeah, and so this is just the first boating lessons, like but a different version, and that different version is with sound. So yeah, because I didn't have sound last time. All you heard was the game. Oh, and it's currently nighttime, and there's some Endermen. Because I spawned them. But like, yeah, we're gonna be hold on. Yay! New way to get up. Anyways, so the thing is here that the last time I made the first boating lessons, it was with no sound because I'm telling you because I forgot to press with microphone on. So it's technically my fault that there was no sound. But anyways, when it turns morning, we're gonna go straight to boating lessons. So yeah. Currently have fake nails on. Guys, every time you see me wearing nails, they're fake. So please know that. So I don't know where's my, where? I think we're gonna need to make another boat. But good thing, no, I still don't have a shovel. Okay, then we definitely are gonna need to make one. Because like something happened to the boat. Don't know what happened. The last time I clearly broke it. I broke the boat and got it back, so we're not gonna go straight, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's been quick, like about 3 minutes. Currently can't check the time right now. Gonna break the trees here because the trees here are wonderful. I'm building the ore house in acacia. When I told my sister acacia, she said a different word, that it's pronounced in a different word. I did not figure out what word it was. So it doesn't matter anymore. Okay, let's go here. Break that. Butterfly, I'm into you. Oh my god. Anyways, we have six. We don't really need endstone, do we? Perfect. So now that I'm recording, I need to tell you something, like, that belongs to be shown in the wild. I want to be a vet. Yes, I think that will take a minute. So I'm so good at this. Just we need to turn it into like that. Oh wait, no, I forgot to make a shovel. Sticks. And then split. Shovel, and then, put it there, put the shovel up here, and then get this thing. Yay! Perfect. Now we can could just break. Oh, now that I had some cooked beef, not that I pressed it by accident. This sound is killing me. Okay, let's change the audio. the sound. 64, I guess. Okay, anyways. Oh, ow. I pulled my own hair. And I don't think it can be fixed. It got stuck. So, yeah, we're gonna need to, yeah, let's put the nail back on. Oh, jeez. Oh, I never knew my hair looked that bad. I think it's got stuck again. Anyways, let's not talk about my hair. And let's go on to a boating lesson. Yay, board. Now, last time I learned that you need to put it together. Just to press. Okay, I'm gonna leave the boat because I don't think this is a good spot to drive a boat. And so let's go here. Yes. Perfecto. Okay, put you there. And I need to remove my shield. The shield is blocking my view. Okay, let's go. Okay, so our goal is to go to that mountain. Okay, like that. Little bit. One more. Go. Look, pretty good. Dolphins! If you guys watch LD Shadow Lady, you know that she is the ocean queen. Now, I honestly watch her, but she doesn't really like post much. If you're a fan of her, you would know that. And you probably have your notifications on and is subscribed. But I'm not subscribed to her because I feel like I shouldn't be subscribed anymore. So, okay, where do we go? We already achieved our first accomplishment, to go to the mountain. Now, where do we go next? There. Okay. Up for the challenge. No. Okay. Oh, geez. Hold on, I need to check how long it has been. 7 minutes, not bad. Yes, I watch Wisp if you're observant enough. Okay. I need to leave this boat. No, I don't have shears. I don't have any iron on me. Now I can't get that. Oh, drowned. There's a drowned. I'm not doing this. Board. Okay. Where's our house? Let's just go here. Let's just go home. Because I'm already starting to get lost. So let's not do this again one day. Leave boat. Perfect. Okay. On to finding. Oh, yeah, I'm right. My house is right there. As you know. Or over there somewhere. Let's see where the trail of torches will lead me to. Or this is not the right island. I don't think this is the right. Oh, yes, it is the right island. Oh no, it's right. I've been trying to want to get attacked by an Enderman maybe. Yes. Here I'm looking. Oh, I keep looking at their eyes and they just don't attack me. I don't know why. Probably because I actually want them to attack me, and now that they know that I want to attack them to attack me. Like, they don't want me to attack. They don't want to attack me. If that makes sense. Where in the world is my house? Let's go in creative mode. I'm a cheater. And let's try to find default, creative, and are you kidding me? Okay, so we could go take that place like here, and then go all the way there, and let's see if I'm actually good at boating. Okay, where's my boat? Okay, so let's get this boat, put that in. Also, I just have loads of boats now. I'm gonna put a trail of boats. Oh my god, this looks disgusting. There's my house. Okay, and then here, we go all the way here. And now to set Nick Desert. Yeah, oh my god, we need to see this trail, guys. I just need to. So let's go. Oh my. This is beautifully layered. Beautifully. So our goal was to like make a trail. Like if we are stuck there and we don't know if that's the right place to go, we just find this trail and then we're good to go. Board. Okay. Baby toad. No, that's not a baby. Sorry. That's not. Oh geez. Oh geez. Okay. Okay. A little bit. Right. Now more left. Right. And straight. 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 Right. Oh geez. No. 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 Leave boat. And then we could just go. No, you push them. Board, 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 board. Okay, this is amazing. Board, board, board. Oh, gee, okay. Well, we're almost done anyways. So let's go enter pearl to my house. So first we do that. We need to make sure that this is actually going to work. So let's go closer to my house. Let's go. Okay, this is going to be a waste. Okay, that took a much damage, but who cares? And here we have another escape. Currently not working. But who cares? Okay, let's go sleep. And that is it for my first boating lessons, but with